Should I? Reservation. Okay. So, Assalamu alaikum to all of you.
Walaikum Assalam.
I am Sofia Malik. The topic is which system of rule is better? Democracy versus monarchy. Well, in my perception, democracy is the concept of free and fair election by the people. In democracy system, we have so many things. We have freedom, we have good leaders, and we have education also. In democracy, people are the rulers here. People have the power to choose a representative through the election. In democracy system, we have Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and four pillars who forms a constitution. So India is a democratic country, and it's not easy for India, and it's impossible for India to adapt dictatorship. But if India would be a monarch country, it would be easy for India to adapt dictatorship. Our constitution gives us so many things, including freedom. What kind of freedom do we have in democracy? We have freedom that if the leader, if the prime minister, if the chief minister, if the leaders are doing bad thing, so we don't need to praise them. We can speak against them if they are bad. And the case happened about NRC. At the time, government wanted to implement NRC rule in our country but could not implement. You know why? Because of the majority of the people. Because people had come on the road, they protested with the help of slogans. They made authority nervous. They said that we are also the part of India. And who gave this right to us? Our democracy gave right to us. That's why we did it, and we did not let the government implement this rule, and it happened. You must speak.
Someone has the money, so he can become the leader. If someone doesn't have the money, so he cannot become the leader. In the last, not only this thing, but also in the elections, the money is wasted a lot. In 2024, the last election took place for the PM. So there, the $1.1 billion money was wasted for the justice election. If we had spent money on the infrastructure of the India, so it would have become the better. That's why you will find the countries which are monarchical countries, the infrastructure you will find it is better, because they focus on the culture, on the people, on the countries. They focus. They don't focus.
Don't you know about America?
Yes, I know.
It is a democratic country, and see the infrastructure.
It is not democratical country. It is it is a constitutional monarchy. Means monarchy is also there and democracy is also there. That's why that infrastructure is better. Otherwise, it wouldn't have.
Okay, so I would like to talk about inexperienced leadership. They were talking that in India, in our government, inexperienced leaders are there. But I do not agree with them. You know why? Because there are experienced leaders are also in there in India. The party AIMIM, and the leader and the member of the party Asufddin Owaisi. He has done Bachelor of Degree from Osmania University, and he's educated. He is experienced leader. He has the potential to make the authorities nervous. Whenever he puts point, whenever he puts his data, whenever he talks about real thing, about valid thing, so no one is able to give answer of the questions of Asufddin Owaisi. Whatever he says in the whole parliament, because he has the power, he is educated. Same with, I would like to talk about Arvind Kejriwal. He is also educated. The fault is not here democracy. Democracy is the best way to run the country for me. You know why? The fault is here criteria. I agreed that in India there are some inexperienced leaders. I agreed. But that's the fault of criteria. If someone wants to join any party, so there should be a criteria. That if you want to join any party, so this criteria you will have to complete. If you completed like the qualification, age, and anything, so you can join the party, otherwise you cannot. So this thing should be, there should be amendments in the parliament, not in parliament, sorry, in the constitution. There should be change, there should be some rules. So our India and this democracy will be the best way for me.
Okay. Second thing I want to say about the rules, like if someone wants to execute, means government want to execute any rule, so there what happens? It takes years. Why am I saying? Because they are the agreement of the people and of the politicians. It takes, and which is very long process. For example, you can take the example of the one nation one election policy. Means for the 2 years or the 3 years, we are wishing to execute this policy, but we are unable to execute this policy in India because they are the agreement of the politicians and the people we have to take, and it is taking too much time. Means it is more than 2 years and 3 years, but however this policy is not being executed because of this
Because the
agreement.
policy is not good. That's why the policy
I'm
is not
saying
good.
policy is not good. So why it is in the process? Still there, it is in the process. People are supporting. Some people are not supporting. So actually, they would have told that this should be not executed. This should be executed, but they are not telling anything.
Okay, I agree. I would like to talk about monarchy also. That what is the monarchy system? Monarchy is a system in which the royal family has the right to be the representative of the country. A common person cannot take participation in the election, which is the bad thing in monarchy system. I agree that there is a stability in monarchy, that the person who is the king, he rules until he dies. No one can rule in the country. It is the thing of monarchical country, which is a bad thing. You know why? Because there is a possibility, there is a risk of tyranny in the monarchy system, that the leader who is the king, can become the dictator, can adapt the dictatorship in his country. It happens. And if this thing happens, so tell me who will be responsible for that? No one will be responsible. You are not allowed to ask the question from him. You cannot ask question from him. You cannot say anything to him. He will not listen your opinions. He will rule you. He will rule on you. He will control you. Tell me it is good? Of course not. And so many monarchs who have adopted dictatorship. The names of those monarchs are King John, Mary Queen of Scots, Emperor Rudolph, and Ivan IV the Terrible. Ivan IV the Terrible, he used to rule in Russia, and because of him, Livonian War took place. And in those Livonian War, thousands of people dead. So if this happen, so you will have to do revolution. And revolution is not easy for a person. It takes centuries.